Hey guys, I'm Millie. Today I'm going to be making slime with my little sister, Ella. Say hi guys. Hi guys. So she's only 2. Yeah, she's really smart.
I'm a monster.
Okay, so let's get started. You want to pour the glue?
Yeah! This fun! Woo! Fun!
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Help me hold the handle. Okay, I think that's good. We accidentally left the highlighter in there. This is gonna be glow-in-the-dark slime, right, Ella?
Yeah! Turns out we got like dark slime!
So here's our fork. We are going to activate it. All it is glue. Wait, no. Actually, no. Yeah, we'll put the highlighter in after. This is a borax solution. So, you want to stir?
Yeah.
Stir it. It's activating. Cool.
Yeah, cool.
This is really strong activator.
I want
It's
to do it.
a lot of borax in it.
But it's turning slime.
Yep, I'm gonna add some more. Everybody's probably gonna say that borax is unsafe for her, but
No, I want to do it.
can I try?
Yes. Go sit on the table.
I'm gonna mix it right here, because it's easier.
I want to stir it.
Oh look, it's slime. Bless you. Bless you.
I want to do it.
Look, it's slime. You think this is yuck? No, it's glue.
I want to touch it.
Touch it. It's still not slime. Is okay.
I want to sit on this back.
You want to stand?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Pick up my phone. Pick up my phone.
Oh, what I did.
Okay. So that happened when Ella got down. She she smashed it. Ready? Make a slime? Oh, let's put this slime down. It's a little bit sticky. You don't want sticky slime.
I'm gonna.
Oh, this has water in it. I'm gonna dump it out.
No.
Oh no, put this right here. We gotta set this here. Ready? Let's finish your slime. And then we're gonna turn it purple. Okay?
It's windy out here.
Yeah, it's really cold. That's why you're wearing your pants.
Yeah.
I'm just wearing a dress.
I wanna try it.
Ella, we're making slime. Oh, your jacket? Oh yeah, bring your jacket. But I don't want slime on your nice jacket. You're cold? Put your jacket on.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
By myself? By myself?
Yeah, you're so smart.
I can't. With the other arm.
Right there.
Other arm.
Okay. So this is our slime. When this happens, can make like this solution where you mix it with water and it turns all watery and it turns back into glue. Then you activate it more. So I got my water and I'm gonna pour it into her slime. But she's not really helping, but we still can call
I'm
it
putting my jacket on.
Yup, she is.
Help
This
me.
will help.
Help me.
I can't. My hands are all slimy. Run to Daddy and ask him.
Okay.
And then come back. So we're mixing this in here. This tree. We made her a really small slime. Yeah. The glue. I got 2 gallons of clear glue for my birthday. So I used 1 gallon and then a half of a gallon. So I have a half of a gallon left. So yeah. When you make it into like glue like this and then activate it, it makes really jiggly slime. And then it like turns like Orbeez kind of. And it's like really cool. Ella, come on. Let's finish making your slime.
I'm making this.
Oh, you're eating? I thought you wanted to make slime with me.
Where is it?
It's turning so weird.
Weird?
But I could make it better. I'm like Slime Pro. Oh, sorry I didn't talk for a little bit. It's just like weird.
I burnt myself.
You burnt yourself?
Mm-mm.
Yup, don't point with that finger. That's the naughty finger. Who's your mom was holding right now?
I'm back now. I'm back now.
Is that your jelly sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
There's peanut butter on it too, but she likes to call it jelly. I'm sorry this is taking so long. It's not gonna get edited or nothing. I don't have anything to edit it, but it's gonna be an awesome video unless I download the editing app. I might, but if I have to delete an app to download that app, I'm not. So there might be edits and there might not. So if there's
I'll be
edits
right
and you saw
back.
before this part,
I did
sorry,
not be right back.
I
I'm
don't
not
know if
be
I'm gonna-
not
I don't
right
think
back.
I'm going to. It's turning like crystal clear. Can also add hair gel, but I like don't have it. I have to restock on my slime supplies.
And I
To get
saw I'm not play.
containers, more glue. I need to get foam beads. I need to get clay to make butter slime. Comment down below anything that you think I need to restock on for my slime. I have posting a lot of slime videos.
I'm a bad mom.
What?
I'm a bad.
You're a bad mom. Don't cross your eyes like that.
I'm turning mean.
You're turning mean. Well, naughty girls don't get slime.
Hey. I'm a bad player. And here's a ball. Look. Look.
I'm sorry that this video is so long. It's not all the slime. And if you have lotion in your clear slime, then it will turn into not clear and it won't clear up.
I'm turning mean again.
I'm excited to do
I'm
this.
turning mean again. See, I'm too mean.
Okay, well, that's the best I'm going to do because the video is already at 11 and 30 seconds.
So, how about her phone?
Yeah. Oh, pick that up, will you? I can get it. Okay. So we're going to make it glow in the dark by adding the highlighter. I tried to look for scissors to cut the highlighter, but I couldn't find it. These are brand new highlighters that nobody has ever used. So I'm excited.
I'm eating jelly and sandwich.
A lot
So
of ink is
her
coming
phone
out.
bent and slapped her hand. Slapped her phone. So, I slapped her phone. But a peanut butter stand.
Sorry if you can't understand her. She likes to talk a lot. Maybe I do too, but sorry. Oh,
I'm making peanut butter sandwich.
she's not making it. It's already made. Can't wait to see if it goes. It kinda does. Kinda. I wish I could show you. I'll try to show you. See, it kind of glows. After this video, I'm going to try to find scissors to make it glow even more. So, bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you want me to start doing a lot more videos with my sister or start a YouTube channel with my sister. Ella, come say bye.
Bye.
Come here. We can't see you.
Bye.
Hopefully you guys picked so I could start a YouTube channel with her. Comment down below if you have a name if I started a YouTube channel with her. Bye, and hope you had a great day.